If you're looking for a sweet treat for the Thanksgiving season, these easy Rice Krispie turkey legs are just what you need. They're super simple. Let me show you how. Hey everyone, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today I have Landon with me.
Hello.
And we are going to show you how to make one of our favorite Thanksgiving treats, Rice Krispie turkey legs. Unlike the name, there's absolutely no meat in these turkey legs. They're made with Cocoa Krispies, a pretzel rod, and some white chocolate. A little bit of marshmallow in there for fun. Everything that you need for your Rice Krispie turkey legs is right here. You're going to need some pretzel rods, and I like to use these 6-inch pretzel rods. Some white chocolate melts, we have some melted here. I love the white chocolate melts, the little discs, because they melt in the microwave very easily. You don't have to worry about tempering your chocolate at all. Butter, marshmallows, I like to use mini and large marshmallows, and your Cocoa Krispies. So to make your turkey legs, we're going to bring out our already prepped ahead items. I just wanted to get these set up so we can move through quickly, but I'm going to show you each step. So, Landon's going to demonstrate.
So you just get your pretzel rod and you dip it in your melted chocolate. And just the tip for right now. Make sure it drips off so it doesn't like spread on the tray. And then what you're gonna wanna do is just get 2 marshmallows and just put them on the ends like that. So, and then you can just put them on your tray.
Okay, so we have one that's already set up. So we just put the tray in the refrigerator and that chocolate will harden and it's kind of like glue, so you have your marshmallows on there. So here.
And then you want to repeat that step one more time, dip it in the chocolate, but you're gonna want to cover the whole stick.
So it helps if you tilt the bowl a little bit. Even better would be to put this in a glass.
Yeah, so you get like a taller.
Yeah, so if you put it in this glass and fill it to the top and melt your chocolate in there, then it's easier to kind of dunk your pretzel into the chocolate. And then you let it drip off.
And then you just rest it on your tray.
And then you just put that in the refrigerator and that'll set up, and then you have the bone part of your turkey leg. Our next step is to move to the stove and we're gonna make our Rice Krispies, the meat of your turkey leg. So to make your Cocoa Krispie topping for your turkey leg, you're going to take 5 tablespoons of butter and a whole packet of the large marshmallows. And you're essentially just making a Rice Krispie treat here. So you're gonna melt your butter. Once your butter's melted, pour in the marshmallows and just stir that until your marshmallows are completely smooth and there's no lumps. Take your pot off of the heat and add the mini marshmallows. And we're just gonna stir that until they're kind of starting to disintegrate and you have a little bit of lumpiness in there, and then stop stirring. At this point, you wanna add your Krispie cereal. So add the Cocoa Krispies to the marshmallow mix and stir it all up to combine. Once you have your Rice Krispies mixed in, we're going to move back to the counter and assemble our turkey legs. Now that the Rice Krispie part is done, we are going to spray our hands with some cooking spray over the towel.
Okay.
And then we're just gonna take some.
Is it hot?
It's not super hot. You're gonna take some of the Rice Krispie treat and we're going to form it around our pretzel. So you kind of want to create the meat part of your drumstick, your turkey leg. Oh, shoot. It's very messy.
It's very hot.
Kids love this. It's so gooey. And so you're just gonna create like an oval, like an egg shape, and make it pretty big and make it compact, like this, as Landon struggles with his. It's really not that hot.
It's really hot.
And then we're just going to kind of form it around that pretzel. And you want to make sure that it goes all the way down to that white so that it looks like a turkey leg. Let me know if you need more cooking spray on your hands. But there we go. There's one. See, it's pretty easy.
I need it on my fingers.
Moms and dads will probably be able to do like 5 to your kids 1. But how awesome is that? Super, super cute. So we'll just finish up the rest.
And then you want to make a hole in the middle. I forgot.
Yeah, you can make a hole.
Forgot to say that.
In the middle. I just kind of rammed mine in there. I definitely need more cooking spray. So you can use cooking spray or you can use butter. Don't use hand lotion or soap.
That'll be disgusting.
It would be very disgusting. Crisco, although does anybody even use Crisco anymore? A little vegetable oil. That is huge.
I know.
Yours is huge.
And it's not compacting. It just turns back into a cloud.
You have to really squeeze it together.
And then
So
it
I
gets
squeezed
stuck.
Yours is so gigantic.
It's like the turkey legs at Disney.
It totally is like the turkey legs at Disneyland. Now we have 2, we have 3. Landon's is falling apart. I'm gonna.
Why is that?
If you do a smaller one, it'll cool off faster and then it'll set up.
That's what it needed to be done.
Well, that one's yours. And you'll have a lot of leftover Rice Krispie. You can make a Rice Krispie treat. Just make like a big one and cut it into pieces for people that don't want the wow factor of a turkey drumstick. I've seen a whole turkey made out of Rice Krispie treats and we'll pass on that. I can't even imagine how you would eat it. How would you eat that? How would you share that with your guests?
Just like have that be dessert instead of like
Slice it with a turkey carver?
Yeah.
We'll have to investigate that.
Throw an apple in it.
Yeah. Decorate it with some apple, some stuffing.
We're gonna let these set up before we take a bite.
All right, now we can take a bite. And that's for
I
you.
want this big.
Oh, okay. You have some cranberries stuck to it.
Oh no, I hate cranberries. I found
All
that
right.
out 5 minutes
You
ago.
wanna try it?
Yeah.
That was a big bite.
You can see the bone.
Yeah. It's crispy and sweet and gooey. Perfect, right?
Nobody took a bite out of it.
What do you think?
It's pretty good, yeah.
Yeah, it's very
like
good.
it.
You did a great job. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm not eating the bone. If you like this video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.